to be honest with you, it's my childhood dream to be a lawyer. Pero I never had that confidence. Kasi I'm not naman too good at class. So I'm just that student who gets 75. Hanggang law school, yung pa rin ako, puro 75 pa rin ako. Later, baka check ko yung grade ko. Malamang 75 pa rin yun. So I'm not an honor student ever since. I'm not a smart guy. Pero all I know is when I put my heart into it, I put my all. So when I was doing TV, napag-memorize pala ako kasi 'di ba, sir, you would know na we memorize lines. Sabi ko, ay nakapag-memorize pala ako. It pushed me to say na, how about studying law? Baka magamit ko yung memorization skills na I've learned in acting. Kasi especially in acting, you don't want to be obvious na you're reciting your lines. You want to perform it in a way it looks natural. Siguro baka during recitation, baka feeling nila alam ko talaga because I was able to deliver my answer well. And it helped me. Pumasa ako ng first semester in my first year. Sabi ko, pwede pala. But I'll still try one more semester and then probably I'll stop. And then pandemic happened, lockdown. It's a series of unfortunate things that happened kasi nobody wanted naman na magkaroon ng lockdown. But it forced me to study kasi wala namang gagawin. 'Di ba? Everything shut down. And I'll take this opportunity to do a shout out. Shout out pala dun to one professor who believed in me, his attorney Reginald Ucol. Sir, if you're listening, thank you. So, it pushed me kasi during that time, I remember being from modeling industry and showbiz industry, parang hindi naman madami nagko-cross into the legal profession. Parang anong ginagawa ko. Pero, but because of series of unfortunate things that in disguise pala turn out to be fortunate things, it led me to here. One of the reasons why I'm also at the Department of Agriculture is I want to be a servant. So I really want to serve. And when we were filming and we were doing teleseries, we would go to different areas and it would make me see the real scenario kasi in contrast with modeling, parati kang nasa glamorous place. Sa artista naman, sa showbiz naman, you get to be in real life, parang areas na people would, or ordinary people will be. So, I saw something na, I want to do something to be able to be of help to others. So, yun din yung nag-lead sa akin towards this profession. Right now, since I'm with the Department of Agriculture, we help a lot of farmers and fisher folk. Maybe I'll concentrate there. And I also owe it to the department for giving me a chance to prove myself and to serve. So, and since I passed, ayoko naman din silang iwanan just because I passed. I wanna show them gratitude for trusting in me. So now it's my turn to give back. So hopefully I'll be able to serve our farmers and fisher folk.